Hey guys, subscribe for daily knife content. And if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today we're going to be talking about the absolute most popular knives that you guys have voted for to win as part of my 50,000 subscriber giveaway. Wait, what's going on? Yeah, this channel is swiftly approaching 50,000 subscribers, and I told my audience about a month ago I'm going to be buying a knife, $500 or less, that you guys are going to vote for collectively, and I'm going to give it away along with a whole bunch of other stuff. So if you're not subscribed to the channel and you want to be a part of that when that day comes, please subscribe. And also make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. As I stated here when I did the video about 2 or 3 weeks ago, I said there are definitely knives that are winning, right? There are definitely like, kind of landslide knives that are winning. And I figured by this point, after the second video, there'd be a clear top 5. And there definitely is. It's exactly that. There are 5 knives that are so far ahead of everything else that those are the ones really that we're going to kind of reduce this to. Now, you might be wondering, is this the entry video? Is this the video I need to leave? Nope, that video is still coming. We're still narrowing it down. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys the 5 knives that are in the lead here up on screen just in a sec. And then right down in the description, the very top link, it's going to be linked to a poll. And this poll is only going to have those 5 options, and you can go in and you can officially vote. That's the poll I'm going to be watching from here until I actually, get to that point where it's time to give something away. Rest assured, the 5 knives that I'm going to list here are definitely way in the lead over everything else. So don't get discouraged if it's not one of your favorite things. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. You can take a look at my Patreon by clicking on the link down in the description. And like I said, make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay, so what are the top 5 knives? We're going to go through this really quick. There's no reason for this video to be super long. These are in no particular order. They are not ordered by which has the most votes or the least votes. These are just the ones that are winning. So first off, of course, we have the Chris Reeve Sebenza 31. That's the large Chris Reeve Sebenza 31 as you're seeing up on screen right now. Next up, of course, the Strider SNG. That'll be a fun one to hunt down. Yeah, that's the medium-sized one. SNG, again, right around the same size as the Sebenza. Next up, a surprise. Like, this one was in the top 10, but it got bumped way up after the last video, probably because I showed mine. That's the Sharp by Design Evo Typhoon. You guys really wanted that. Probably, I mean, it's also because it's just freaking totally unavailable. Next up, of course, the Hinderer XM18 3.5 inch. Absolutely one that's on there. And last but not least, I think another obvious one. Everything on the list is obvious. The Demko 8020. These are the knives that are kicking the absolute crap out of everything else that was requested, right? And like I said, if these aren't your favorites, right, and you want to vote for something else, it's okay. You can vote down there, right? But the final poll, the one that I'm going to be watching, is going to be linked right down below at the top of the description. So I want you to actually go to that link, go to that poll, and vote. Yes, even if you've already left a comment. Yes, even if you've left a comment on my last 2 videos. Metal Complex, this seems like absolute chaos, and it doesn't make sense how you're doing it. I don't care. This is how I'm going to do it. Believe it or not, the program that I use to actually sort through everything and look and see how many duplicate comments there were from different users, it actually does pull real data that I can look at. I really can see the absolute numbers, but this poll is really going to help definitively, right? So if you're thinking, the thing that I wanted isn't going to be like, it doesn't look like it's going to win, but of those 5, I'd really like to pick this one. That's why I'm doing the poll, right? So that people who didn't have their top choice in there can still go in and vote for the one that they would prefer of those 5. So please make sure that you go do that. Also, we have some other knives that I'm going to be giving away when I hit that mark. And by the way, the channel did receive almost exactly 3,000 subscribers last month, so exactly what I thought it would. We are roughly 2,600 subscribers away from 50,000. That means that likely, this next month is when it's going to happen. Some other knives that are going to be given away during the giveaway that are outside of this $500 one. We, of course, have the DLT Trading exclusive Formax Scout in DLC and the OD injection mold plastic. These are about 110 bucks, and they're AUS 10A steel, not AUS 8, AUS 10A. This is pretty sweet, and it's exclusive, so I figured you guys would like that. Of course, we have a gift from my buddy Ricky, the Spyderco PM2 Wharncliffe Cutlery Shop exclusive. These are long gone. I think that's a Cutlery Shop exclusive. I'll feel dumb if it's not. But that one will also be given away. We have a brand new Benchmade, and all of these are brand new, by the way. 535-3. This is the carbon fiber and S90V variants. Definitely something I think a lot of people will, enjoy, or somebody will enjoy winning. And then, of course, also, somebody donated a Vero Engineering Synapse. Pretty cool. This is a knife that's very difficult to get right now and very, very popular. This is absolutely brand new and very, very beautiful. M390 titanium micarta, nice low profile flipper. And yeah, you can front flip it, though I'm not going to do it because I don't want it. Well, you know what? Let's do it for the fan. There we go. Yeah, you can absolutely front flip it. So yeah, these four plus the knife that I'm going to be picking up for 500 or less. I am going to tease you guys a little bit. I think I know which one's going to win. There are a couple, like of the 5, there are a couple that are very close, but I'm pretty sure I know which one's going to win. So this might have been kind of a dice roll, and it might end up being an error on my part, but I had an opportunity to buy one of the knives on this list, and it just so happened to be the one that I thought was going to win. This is not these, by the way, of the 5 that I showed on screen earlier. And I went ahead and bought it. So if it wins, great. I already have it, right? If it doesn't win, then I just added a knife to my collection and I have to buy another another one. So this contest might end up getting really expensive. By the way, I'm planning on having some additional, I think maybe some additional things, I don't know, for the giveaway, but when the giveaway happens, which again will probably be about a month from now, we're going to let that poll sit and accumulate votes. I'm going to be, directing people towards it, saying, hey, remember to vote in that poll, because I really, really want to see exactly what everybody wants. As that day draws closer, I will make the actual entry video so that everybody knows, this is officially how you enter. And then there will be a live stream. That's how I like to do these giveaways. I like to draw names live so that everybody can see. I also have a brand new iPad. I'm not using my ancient coal-powered iPad anymore. Thanks to my patrons. Sorry, let me turn this off real quick. Thanks to my patrons, I actually have a brand new one that we will be able to use, and it'll be fast and it'll be accurate, right? So that'll be great for live streams, so that it's not like getting stuck and getting bogged down in the middle of the stream. But it should be a lot of fun. I'm gonna shoot for the highest population that I've had in a live stream. That always makes it a blast, makes it fun for me, it makes it fun for you guys. And at least 5 people individually are gonna win knives. So any questions, comments, concerns, please, you leave them right down below. I try to look over every last comment on this video. Again, thank you to everybody. The whole reason for doing this is just to say thank you to the people who have come and watched my channel and supported me. I appreciate that very much. This is going to be very fun. All right, guys, that's going to be pretty much it today. Again, like I said, this video doesn't need to be super long. If you enjoyed this video, if you're excited about this giveaway, right, feeling positive in any way, shape, or form, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.